coughing my lungs out. Cigarettes be some fucked shit. Kinda wish I never started. I'll die young and won't be laughing. Pass the light so I can spark it. I'm coughing black shit, cause I'm an addict. And smoking double, if I'm hammered. But if there's trouble, I need a real sign. I'll keep it up, I'm feeling real fine. I'm still breathing, fucking easy. Unless I'm playing sport, aka basketball. After 5 minutes on the court, I'm giving up and that's for sure. I cannot breathe, I'll hit the floor. Can't even touch the net no more. But I am not upset, of course. I soldier on and get through it. Sparkling water is the best fluid. I'll teach my daughter how to get through it. I bet you never saw my next movement. I'm still upset so I talk stupid. I'm playing chess with a tall cutie. Sparkling water is the best fluid. I bet you never saw my next movement. Coughing my lungs out, making these fucked sounds, but spitting these bars loud. Hold my breath cause I can't drown. On the track rapping fast now. Catch a fish, yeah, I'll cast out. Coughing my lungs out, but spitting these bars loud. Blood on my palm, but I'm staying calm. Go outside for a dart and just think of some bars for when I'm coming back. If you catch me with a bag, I'm going through customs. When I say fuck 'em, I flick 'em away. Paskers should know I ain't down for your games, so I will not play. Smoke every day, I'm with Mary Jane. I'm coughing my lungs out, and it's just a shame. I'm coughing my lungs out.